In pinocytosis, the cell makes use, in this case, the food is absorbed into the cell with the aid of microvilli. So the cell is immersed in the food, in solution of food nutrients. It uses the microvilli to absorb the food into the cell. So that is why you see sometimes we draw cell with projections like this. This is the nucleus, cytoplasm, and other equations will not be shown in detail. This is a microvillus. With these structures, the cell is able to absorb food nutrients from surrounding. And this is a vesicle. So this is pinocytosis, using microvilli to absorb food in solution.